If you've ever wanted to live in a green neighborhood just next to Gigiri, Westlands, and many more, in a green neighborhood, this is Peponi. I'm in a 6-bedroom property, 760 meters square, sitting on approximately more than 1/8 of an acre. There are 7 villas, as you can see, all the way upwards in a community. And this sits on 1.4 acre, all of them. They have 6 bedrooms, all en suite, plus a SQ. They have 2 kitchens, enough garden on the other side, and 4 parkings each. The facade is so beautiful. I like it. Very, very modern. Cabros all over, so clean, fresh air flows into each and every corner of this neighborhood. And I will show you just right now. It's a guy, Boris. They call me the wolf of real estate. This is in the market from only 160 million. In case you are interested, looking for a 6-bedroom in the market, Peponi, just next to Westlands, then this is your actual answer. On the left-hand side is a front garden. Sorry guys, my voice is a bit messy because I watched football yesterday and we won Manchester over Aston Villa. If you're happy, then flow with me. If you're sad like Chelsea fans and many more, sorry. Parking is here. You do 3 or 4 cars here, plus that side. It's clean, it's quiet. I'm the only noisy guy in the entire neighborhood. All right? The main entrance is this. I love that, at the dark tone with the white. And then we have like 4 levels. A basement down, ground level, level 3, and level 4 up there. And the dogs are barking. Boris, you're too noisy. Come on, chill out, Boris. It's fine. It's my style. Walking inside into your front porch. I like it. Here is your pivot door. Serious mahogany. Strong pivot door. Allows you ease of access with your high-end big furniture. Entry foyer in front of you, as you can see. And the lounge is just here. Fabian, do we start from this level or we go down, then come upward? We go down? All right. Fabian says we should start from down. And this is the basement level. I will take you down. All this has step lights. This is mahogany. I love the natural light into each and every corner of this beautiful villa in Peponi. All right, walking into our basement level begins from here. That is the stairs that I've just used from the ground level. This is your basement level, and this becomes your family lounge come entertainment space. On the right-hand side is a mini kitchenette. In front of me is a beautiful garden. And I will go out to show you how the garden looks like. I love this because of the size of the garden. It's a very huge garden, as you can see. I mean, it's not yet done because the units are almost, we're just finishing construction, that's why. But, just appreciate the size of the garden. Fabian, you can just move the corner for them just to get to see the size of this garden. And I like the fact that they didn't cut mature trees like this avocado tree you're seeing here. It is maintained, comes with the property. The garden is so huge, spacious for entertainment. Stop wasting your time looking for land to build your own villa. Come, buy this, move in, cut the grass, entertain on this space. You can even add, a swimming pool if you want to on this space here. Some neighbors are doing it. You can also do it. All right, this way. I want to show you something on this side before I go in. All this is the basement level, and I will go inside to show you. Let me show you something on this side. You see the stairs? This is the stairs from your wet kitchen, from your laundry area. Up there, takes you down into your SQs. Your SQs, 2 SQs, plus a kitchenette and additional, laundry area on this level. You have concrete pavers that allow you to step on the concrete, not to step on the grass. And then this becomes your SQ. The SQs are here. SQ1, washroom. This is the washroom. This is the toilet and the showering point. Then SQ2 is here. So you have see that one? SQ1. This is your shower point, a sink, a toilet, SQ2, and a kitchenette. So this is the servants' quarters. This way, Here is a sink for them to do their laundry, and here is our water purifier they live. So this is where you can hang your clothes to dry with the sunlight on this space. And I will take you back into the basement level, the interior of it. So you remember I told you we have 6 bedrooms. Bedroom 1 is on the basement. It has a washroom, as you can see. And I like the types of tiles that have been used here, but also I do like the natural lighting. It flows into each and every space. The bed sits here and a French window in front of me, allowing light to flow into the space nicely. You're connected with nature as you are enjoying the interiors. The closet is on the left-hand side. It's still covered, it's still fresh, it's still new, waiting for you to just come and unwrap it. Let's go this way. I'll show you something else on the other level. We are done with this level, but then on this level, we have a lot of sockets for you to connect your electronics, your blah, 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 your fridge, your laptop, your anything you want to plug and play. As you can see, it's well furnished with the sockets on the wall. If you go onto the patio as well, we have got outdoor sockets on the left-hand side. You plug and play, connect your electronics, and enjoy yourself in the 6-bedroom villa in Peponi. I'm going back into the ground floor level, show you the lounge, double volume lounge, kitchen 1, kitchen 2, and many more bedrooms on that level. Catch me on the next level this way. Look at the step lights. Into our family lounge, and this is our family lounge from the basement level. Remember, that was the main entrance, the people door on the other side. This is where your furniture, your lounge, your seats would sit, and all that ceiling upwards, the chandelier drops from up there downwards, just to accentuate all that height and all that space, all that void up there. All this is your balcony, beautiful balcony, spacious, lengthy, and still has beautiful green views of the Peponi neighborhood. You get to see the green trees as well as the garden down here. It goes all the way to that side, and then it flows into your dining area. The dining area is just here. This is where you put your dining set, more space around it. I love the choice of tiles. I also like the fitting. It's very clean. So clean and so clean. Here is our kitchen, but then I'm switching onto that side, and I'm seeing a beautiful flow to ceiling windows, allowing natural light to flow into each and every place of this area, the dining area, the kitchen as well, all the way into the basement level. The kitchen is here. This is our kitchen island, more cabinetry. I like the recessed lighting beneath the countertop, black countertop, granite on the island, as well as on the other side around me this side. 2 sinks, stainless, 5-burner cooker, extractor is Bosch, cooker is Bosch as well. Glass cabinetry onto this side as well as this other side. More cabinetry all the way through. I love the backsplash. Look at the tile. Beautiful. I love it. Very nude. It's so nice. Comes the fridge on this side. And also you get this as your spice rack. You pull it back, then take it in once you're done. This is your glass cabinetry. As you can see, we've got an oven and a microwave comes built into the kitchen. You're flowing into our wet kitchen, which is on this other side. The wet kitchen comes with a cooker, as you can see. A big cooker, massive cooker. This is a commercial cooker. You can do anything you want to do with this. A lot of countertop again on this side. More cabinetry, more space for your fridge. And then you have also a mini pantry somewhere here. You're flowing into the other side. This is your laundry area. Comes fitted with a washer and a dryer. That is the actual pantry onto that side. This door takes you to the outdoor laundry area. I've shown you the indoor one where you've got a washing machine and a dryer as well. This is your outdoor laundry space. You got all this countertop, a sink, and remember, I talked about the stairs while I was down there. That is the stair that takes you down. You hang your clothes down there, and then you come back into your laundry area, and then again your wet kitchen into your dry kitchen. And that is all about the second level of this villa. We are going to the third level of this villa, 6-bedroom in Peponi. Catch me on the third level. This way, my way. All right, jumping into our third level. This is our third level, has 3 bedrooms, all en suite. These stairs takes us up into the 4th level where the master bedroom is. This is a mini family lounge. Remember I told you there's more space down there that can be converted into a family lounge or an entertainment space. This comes as a mini family lounge. I love the views on the left hand side, green views, more light into this space. Put your couch, fit the TV on the side, plug it and play and enjoy yourself. This is storage, and I want to get into this. This can be your server room. Let's go this way. This is our bedroom 3. More light. I love the green views onto, this side. Closet over here. Bed sits in between. And this is your washroom. Let's go inside. The washroom looks and feels like a primary suite washroom. This is not a primary suite. This is any other washroom in any other bedroom. Look at the shower cubicle, spacious. I love the choice of tile, matte tiles on the wall. Beautiful red telephone shower over there, red shower head, huge window bring natural light. Toilet hangs on the wall, and all this is cola fittings all over. I love the granite and all that vanity. Huge mirror, beautiful doors and black knobs. And I will step out. I want to talk about the laminate floors that I'm walking on right now. The laminate floors feel very comfortable, very cozy walking on them. This is bedroom 2 on the 3rd level. Actually, this becomes our 4th bedroom. All bedrooms are en suite. The washroom is on the left hand side, more natural light, shower cubicle, toilet, sink, a huge window bringing natural light. And I love the fact that the bedside area is tucked away. It's on this space. Look at the space here. Look at the size of the window. Massive window, more lighting. Not only that, this is an additional window because you're paying 160 million. Remember, the corner unit is from 165 million. All this closet, all these windows for TV just to be mounted and for you and the family to enjoy a good time in Peponi, Nairobi, Kenya. I'm jumping into my 5th window. Fabian, you have to move for us to give them beautiful shots of myself. However ugly I am, you must love me because I show level stuff in the industry. So this one is bedroom 5, which is still en suite. Now, in case that feels very far, you can convert this into a primary suite. Why? It's because it has a lot of space to fit a 6x6, to fit a dressing table, to fit, study table, to fit accent chairs, to fit, just to have more things in this space because it's heavenly, it's spacious. Here is your balcony, sunken, beautiful views in front of me. My avocado tree in front of me comes with this. Rarely do you find a villa in the market coming with these avocado trees. You only find this in our village. If you want to know more, the number has always been on your screen. Let's go this way, show you something else. This is our walk-in closet. You can fit an ottoman in between here, just in case you want to sit down and put on your shoes, sit down, and just wear your socks, sit down, and just, have your tie tied and all that. You can do that on this space. And more shelves. Fabian, you have to switch or we just do it as it is? You're fine? All right, Fabian says he is fine. So am I. On the left-hand side is your sink, and I told you, all washroom fittings are Cola. High-end brand, and Cola needs to pay me for advertising them. They have to look for me for endorsement. There is the toilet. This is a toilet cubicle, separate. Look at this niche, beautiful, huge windows. I love the views of the avocado tree. It elevates the mood of the house. This is the shower cubicle. Let me take you inside, show you what we have in the shower cubicle. Come inside. I love the drainage. All right, so this is the highlight. I love this. This allows you to sit down, and just scrub your feet, right? Just have a good time in your washroom, sit down. Some of us have knee problems. Some of us have, our loved ones who are a bit aged. They can use this to shower. Look at this. It helps you to take a shower seated comfortably. The tiles are beautiful, textured, high-end tiles. beautiful, niche over there. Another telephone shower on this side. I told you, 2 sinks, sink 1 and sink 2, all color. Vanity 1, vanity 2, smart mirror 1, smart mirror 2. This fits 2 of you. There's something that I want to tell you. When we were constructing this, we had an idea. Someone might need to fit a lift because the last bedroom is so high. It's very far from earth. And so therefore, we chose to leave for you a provision for your elevator. In case you want to put a lift, you can just fit it in between here. I know sometimes you live with parents who are a bit aged and they can't, take the stairs. Here is a provision. You can fit a lift if you want to. Let me take you upstairs. Look at all that window, more light into our corridors and all our stair points. That's so amazing. I'm going into the last bedroom, and the last bedroom is beautiful. You love it. So this can be converted into, say, a study area because it has sockets, it's private, you can sit here, and even a home office. If you decide to convert this as your primary suite, then you can have this as your home office. Let me go inside. We are almost done. And I know I haven't taken much of your time, but if I've taken much of your time, I'm sorry. It was worth it. Because rarely we have villas in Peponi that go for 160 million. Peponi is so high-end, and many villas are so pricey. Very, very pricey. The bed will sit in between here, bedside drawers, more light into the space, closet 1 and closet 2. And still, you got views of the Peponi, forest, green views all the way around. I will jump to this side. You got 2 sinks, which are cooler, vanity, a huge mirror. And to the other side, you have a soaking tub with beautiful views of the Peponi forest. Toilet in between. And this side is the shower cubicle with some ambient lighting, as you can see. Huge shower cubicle to fit the 2 of you. I'll move to this side. It's gonna be unfair to end this, tour without talking about the laminate floors beneath my feet. Laminate floors feel so comfortable. I walk on them, I feel so easy, and it's fair enough to share with you. Here is a rooftop sun deck that is only meant for this bedroom, but then again, it extends to this side where it connects with the rooftop terrace, which goes all the way to that side. This is your rooftop terrace for your rooftop entertainment. We gave you a sink that can be used to clean your cups and blah, blah, blah as you're serving your guests while you're enjoying the rooftop terrace of this 6-bedroom, all-en-suite, 760 square meter villa, 7 in the compound, 1.4 acre. Each sits on approximately more than 1/8 of an acre. The price is only 160 million. The corner one is from 165. In case you are interested, the number has always been on the screen. I'll see you on the next listing.